Hey, good morning. I'm Chris with Atlantic Drain. Today we're out here doing an install for a drain tile from the downspouts on out to the street. This one we had a little bit of issue coming through the driveway, but typical installation. This homeowner was having problems with the wall here, especially in the corners, with dampness, and she did have discharges out here to just right here at the tie. Just isn't really far enough away from the house. Really needs to just go on out to the street. So while we're here, we're also going to hook up a downspout here from the garage. Alright, so we're starting the line here. I've cut a few pieces from the downspout. I'm going to glue it into the fittings, and then we're going to clear this trench a bit more and run pipe all the way out to the street. Pick up a couple downspouts that are on the side of the house. Very important to glue your fittings up by the house. The garage is on a slab. You might be able to get away with that, but if you can, always glue your fittings. You don't want to glue your downspout to drain tile cap. This is actually going to start up here about this level right here, pretty high. And all these 90s, just getting it out of the way from the house or garage. Your main line, just bell them together, all your 10-foot sections, and just hammer them together real good. Once you get this line started, it goes pretty good and quick. But yeah, we're going to start that up about that high. I'm going to come back in here and backfill this. I'm just kind of setting the level that I want. These bricks will come out of there. That's about right in there. Alright, we got this back downspout installed from the house out to the main line, and you can see we're beginning to cover it up here in the back, and we're backfilling underneath it wherever there's any space, just so there's no cavities and that the line can't sink. It's a very long line coming out here to the street, but we're making sure we have good bubble, lots of bubble. I know this is a little level, but everywhere I put it, it's got at least like a quarter bubble going down. So we're good to go here. Now working at the front spout. And we're going to do the same thing. Just going to make sure we glue it up, get it out to the main line, and take it on out to the street. And again, up here at the front right downspout, got it going out to the main line. Just be sure to glue those fittings. I can't say it enough times. Glue those fittings. Alright, be sure you got your downspout adapter in place. I like to be able to see these markings on the pipe so that when I push it in, I know it's going in all the way. It's so important. Alright, we're just going to raise that up a little bit. It's already got pretty good fall. I just want it to be up on the spout a little bit more. And that's looking pretty good. Alright, we're ready to make a 45 through the drive and on out to the street. Okay, so we've run new pipe out to the street from all the spouts on the right side, just all the way back there on the back right of the garage. What we have left to do is fill it in, move the excess soil, and we're going to move all our excess soil back here between the fence and the garage. Normally we look for low spots around the foundation, but this is all full up all the way around the house. But we definitely have some low spots back here between the garage and fence. I'm Chris with Atlantic Drain. Thank you for watching. And remember, it's easy once you know how.